Let's get cooking. There's something magical about the arrival of spring. It's like the world is waking up from a long, cozy nap, and suddenly everything feels possible again. The air is filled with a gentle warmth, and you can almost taste the excitement in every sunbeam that streams through your kitchen window. Spring is finally here. The sun's warmer, days are longer, and everything feels fresh. Flowers are blooming, trees are budding, and the world outside is bursting with color and life. It's the perfect time to shake off the winter blues and bring that same energy into your kitchen. The world wakes up, and so does our kitchen, bursting with colorful, vibrant ingredients. Suddenly, the market shelves are overflowing with crisp greens, juicy berries, and vegetables in every shade of the rainbow. It's like nature is inviting us to get creative and try something new. This is the season for fresh greens, sweet berries, and crunchy veggies. Nature's celebration on your plate. Every bite is a reminder that the best flavors come straight from the earth, just as they are. It's a time to celebrate simplicity and freshness. Forget heavy stews. It's time for light, lively dishes. Spring is all about meals that feel as bright and energetic as the season itself. Think crisp salads, zesty dressings, and plates that look like edible works of art. Think salads packed with personality, textures, and flavors that sing. Imagine the crunch of fresh lettuce, the sweetness of ripe berries, the nutty bite of toasted seeds, and the tang of a homemade vinaigrette. Every forkful is a little adventure. These salads can be a meal or the perfect side to grilled chicken or fish. Whether you're looking for a light lunch, a show-stopping side, or a dinner that leaves you feeling energized, spring salads have you covered. They're endlessly versatile and always delicious. The best part? Spring ingredients do most of the work. Just a drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of salt. You don't need fancy techniques or complicated recipes. Let the natural flavors shine, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is to create something special. Visit your local market, get inspired, and let's make food that's fun, fast, and full of spring sunshine. Chat with the farmers, pick out the freshest produce, and let your senses guide you. Cooking in spring is all about embracing what's in season and letting your creativity run wild. Trust me, after these recipes, you'll see salads in a whole new light. Let's dive in. Get ready to fall in love with spring all over again. One delicious, colorful bite at a time. Why get excited about spring salads? Well, as the world wakes up from winter, so does our appetite for something fresh, vibrant, and full of life. Spring is the season of renewal, and nothing captures that spirit quite like a bowl brimming with crisp, colorful veggies. These salads are packed with vitamins and minerals, just what your body craves after months of heavier, heartier meals. Think of them as nature's way of helping us recharge, providing a boost of nutrients that help us feel lighter and more energized as the days grow longer. Eating fresh, seasonal veggies is like a spring clean for your body, sweeping away the sluggishness of winter and making you feel truly alive. Each bite is a reminder that the world is bursting with new possibilities, and your body can feel that energy too. But it's not just about health. Spring produce tastes incredible. The flavors are brighter, the textures are crisper, and every mouthful feels like a celebration of the season. In-season veggies are sweeter, crunchier, and more flavorful than anything you'll find at other times of the year. Asparagus snaps with a satisfying crunch, radishes are peppery and juicy, and leafy greens are at their tender best. A fresh pea or a ripe strawberry needs nothing else to shine. Their natural sweetness and juiciness are at their peak, making every bite a little moment of joy. Sometimes the simplest ingredients are the most delicious. And the best part? Spring salads are quick to make. Just chop, mix, and you're done. No need for complicated recipes or hours in the kitchen. You can whip up a beautiful, nourishing meal in minutes. They're fast food the healthy way, giving you more time to enjoy the sunshine, head outside, or spend time with friends and family. Imagine taking your salad out for a picnic, feeling the warm breeze and soaking up the season. And let's not forget how stunning they look. Bright greens, reds, and purples make every plate a work of art. A beautiful salad is a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds, and it can turn any meal into a special occasion. Beautiful food is more inviting even for kids. When you serve a rainbow on a plate, everyone wants to dig in, and it's a great way to encourage healthy eating habits for the whole family. So why not make your meals as colorful as the season? Play with different textures, flavors, and colors. Let your creativity shine as bright as the spring sun. Spring salads are easy, delicious, and a feast for the eyes. They're the perfect way to celebrate the season's bounty and treat yourself to something truly special. So let's make our plates as bright as spring itself. Ready to dive in? Let's go and create something fresh, fun, and full of flavor. Before we jump into recipes, let's talk about what really makes a salad shine. Whether you're a salad skeptic or a leafy green enthusiast, these tips will help you build a bowl that's bursting with flavor, texture, and excitement. Salads don't have to be boring or bland. They can be the star of your meal. Here are my top salad tips to help you create something truly delicious every time. First up, the dressing. Skip the store-bought bottles and make your own at home. It's easier than you think, and so much tastier. The classic ratio is 3 parts good quality oil to 1 part acid, like lemon juice or vinegar. Add a pinch of salt, a crack of black pepper, and if you fancy, a little mustard or honey for extra depth and balance. Pop everything into a jar, screw on the lid, and give it a good shake. This not only blends the flavors beautifully, but also gives you a fresh, vibrant dressing every time. You can experiment with different oils and acids. Try walnut oil with sherry vinegar, or extra virgin olive oil with balsamic. Next, let's talk texture. The best salads are a mix of soft, crunchy, and creamy elements. Think about how each bite will feel. Contrast is key. For crunch, add toasted nuts, homemade croutons, or crispy chickpeas. These not only add bite, but also bring extra flavor and nutrition. For creaminess, toss in ripe avocado, crumbled feta, or even a dollop of Greek yogurt. These ingredients make every forkful feel rich and satisfying. Don't just stick to one type of green. Mix things up by combining peppery rocket, buttery lettuce, and crisp romaine. This creates a more interesting base and keeps every bite exciting. Fresh herbs are a game changer. Tear in mint, basil, or dill for a burst of flavor and aroma. Herbs can completely transform a salad, making it taste fresh and vibrant. Don't forget a warm element. Adding grilled halloumi, roasted vegetables, or some warm chicken can turn a simple salad into a hearty, satisfying meal. The contrast between warm and cool ingredients is simply irresistible. When you combine warm and cool, you get a salad that's comforting and refreshing all at once. It's a little trick that makes a big difference. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try adding fruit like orange segments, pomegranate seeds, or even grilled peaches. Play with grains like quinoa or farro for extra substance. Every salad is a chance to experiment and discover new favorites. The real secret is variety and balance. A great salad has a little bit of everything, different colors, flavors, and textures all working together. So, play with flavors, textures, and temperatures. Don't be afraid to try new combinations or add a surprise ingredient. Remember, a great salad is never boring. It should be colorful, full of life, and make you excited to dig in. Trust your taste buds, have fun with it, and don't be afraid to make it your own. The best salads are the ones you enjoy making and eating. Now, with these tips in mind, let's get to the recipes and start building your perfect salad. First up, my ultimate strawberry and spinach salad, a classic that's as easy as it is impressive. Sweet strawberries and earthy spinach are a perfect match, especially for a sunny day. Use the freshest baby spinach and ripe, fragrant strawberries you can find. Add creamy feta for tang and toasted almonds for crunch. The dressing? A simple balsamic vinaigrette. Balsamic vinegar, olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper. This salad is versatile. Serve it solo for lunch or as a side at a barbecue. It looks stunning and tastes even better. Quick to make, always a hit. Celebrate spring's best flavors in one bowl. Let's gather our ingredients and get started. Let's make this salad in minutes. Wash and dry 200 g baby spinach. Slice 250 g strawberries into bite-sized pieces. Toast 50 g flaked almonds in a dry pan until golden, then cool. Crumble 100 g feta cheese. For the dressing, shake 6 TBSP olive oil, 2 TBSP balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, salt, and pepper in a jar. Taste and adjust seasoning. In a large bowl, layer spinach, strawberries, and feta. Drizzle with half the dressing and toss gently. Taste. Add more dressing if needed. Scatter toasted almonds on top. That's it. A vibrant, delicious spring salad, perfect for any occasion. Fresh, colorful, and full of flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy. Job done. Next, the ultimate taste of spring. Asparagus, pea, and mint salad. When asparagus is in season, it's unbeatable. Pair it with sweet peas and fresh mint for a refreshing, satisfying dish. Use firm asparagus, frozen peas, they're super sweet, and a big bunch of mint. The dressing is simple: lemon juice and zest, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Parmesan shavings add a salty, nutty finish. This salad is light, healthy, and perfect with lamb or salmon. It's all about celebrating spring's green bounty. Quick to make, beautiful to serve. The flavors are clean and bright. Let's get these fresh ingredients together. Time to cook. Here's how to make this green beauty. Snap woody ends off a bunch of asparagus, cut into pieces. Blanch in boiling salted water for 2-3 minutes, then plunge into iced water to keep them crisp and green. Cook 150 g frozen peas in the same water for a minute, then drain. For the dressing, zest and juice a lemon. Add 4 TBSP olive oil, salt, and pepper. Whisk together. In a large bowl, combine asparagus, peas, and torn mint leaves. Pour over the lemon dressing and toss gently. Transfer to a serving platter. Finish with generous Parmesan shavings. That's it, a fresh, zesty spring salad. Perfect for any spring meal. Simple, quick, and bursting with flavor. Enjoy the taste of the season. Serve immediately. Spring on a plate. Beautiful. Last up, my zesty radish and cucumber crunch. A salad all about crisp, refreshing texture. Perfect for hot days, it's a mix of cucumber, radishes, and spring onions. Slice everything thin for maximum crunch and color. The dressing, creamy yogurt, lemon juice, and chopped dill and chives. The herbs add freshness and a subtle kick. Just mix the veggies and toss with the herby yogurt dressing. Serve right away for the best crunch. Add chickpeas or lentils for extra protein if you like. It's a versatile, healthy side for any meal. Simple, quick, and full of spring flavor. Let's get chopping. There you have it, 3 fresh, delicious spring salads. Salads can be exciting, full of flavor, and a true celebration of the season. Use what you have: leftover chicken, market tomatoes, or a bit of cheese. These recipes are just a starting point. Experiment and find your favorites. Cooking should be fun and creative. Making fresh, healthy food doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. A simple salad made with love is one of life's best meals. Connect with the seasons and enjoy nature's bounty. Try a new recipe or ingredient each week. Visit your market, get inspired, and have fun in the kitchen. Once you start making vibrant spring salads, you'll be hooked. You'll feel healthier, more energized, and appreciate fresh food even more. So go on, get cooking and enjoy every bite.